Hello everybody, Ms Harriete here. I hope you are all fantastic. Today we are going to be making a healthy breakfast. Yes, this is called overnight oats and you just need a few ingredients to make it. What you will need is oats, milk or a milk alternative like almond milk or coconut milk would also work fine. You will need about half of a banana, some honey or something a little bit sweet, and you will also need cinnamon. Yes. So to start with, let's go and put 5 tablespoons of cinnamon into the jar. I will move my camera down now so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, so about 5 spoonfuls of oats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I forgot to mention, so they are called overnight oats, and that's because you make them the night before. So you make these before you go to bed, you pop it in the fridge, and voila, in the morning it's ready. Okay, so next we're going to pour in, we're going to cover the oats with this milk. So about a quarter to a half of a cup. Now if you have yogurt or something else you would like to use, that would also work fine. I usually like to add a little bit more milk than this, but I've just run out, so try and add the milk up to about there to completely cover the oats and to make it a little bit more liquidy. Okay, then I'm going to chop this banana into little slices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's do 7 today. 7 slices of banana. So let's take our bananas and add them in with our oats. Good job. And then we're going to add a little dash of cinnamon, just a good pinch, or about a quarter of a teaspoon. Okay, and then you can mix that together. And then lastly you can add some honey. So let's add about a quarter of a tablespoon of honey. And then we are going to do one more mixture. We're going to mix it one more time, and then you can put the lid on it and pop it in the fridge, and in the morning it will be ready for you. You can eat it cold, or you can heat it up a little bit on the hob or in the microwave. And this is a delicious, healthy, nutritious breakfast. The oats are fantastic because they release energy into your bloodstream slowly so that it doesn't give you a sugar rush, because when you eat things like cereal, sometimes they are high in sugar, so you have lots of energy and then it drops. Whereas oats, they give you energy but enough to sustain you for a longer period of time. Good job. So there we have it. Some overnight oats ready to pop in the fridge and wait until the morning, and it will be delicious. I hope you enjoy it. If you make it, let me know or send me a picture. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!